Hi friends, today we are going to see how to eliminate arbitrary function. It can be eliminated by using partial differential coefficients. They are P is equal to dou z by dou x, Q is equal to dou z by dou y, R is equal to dou square z by dou x square, S is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y, and T is equal to dou square z by dou y square. If the given function is like phi of u comma v, then it can be eliminated by using the determinant of dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y, which is equal to 0. By this, we can eliminate the arbitrary function. Let's see some examples. Eliminate the arbitrary function from z is equal to f of y by x and form the PDE. PDE is partial differential equation. So, the given function is f of y by x. So, we have to differentiate partially with respect to x and y. When differentiate partially with respect to x, then z became dou z by dou x, which is p, which is equal to f dash of y by x. So, function of y by x when we differentiate becomes f dash of y by x, and y by x we differentiate, it becomes minus y by x square, because when we differentiate 1 by x, it becomes minus 1 by x square. So next, when we partial differentiate with respect to y, dou z by dou y, which is equal to q, and f of y by x, if we differentiate it, it becomes f dash of y by x, and again when we differentiate only y by x, it becomes 1 by x. So from this equation, we can say p by q is equal to f dash of y by x into minus y by x square divided by f dash of y by x into 1 by x. So from this, the f dash of y by x get cancelled. So it becomes minus y by x. So from this, px, when cross multiplied, p into x equal to minus q into y. From this, we can say px plus qy is equal to 0. This is the required PDE. The next example is form the PDE by eliminating f from f of x square plus y square plus z square comma x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So here the given function is like phi of u comma v. So x square plus y square is taken as u and x plus y is taken as p. So we have to partially differentiate with respect to x and y. So dou u by dou x equal to x square, if we differentiate, becomes 2x, and y square is 0, and again z square, which is equal to 2z into dou z by dou x. Again dou v by dou x. Here if we differentiate with respect to x, the x becomes 1 and y becomes 0, and z is equal to dou z by dou x. So we have to substitute dou z by dou x equal to p and dou z by, here also dou z by dou x equal to p. Then dou u by dou y. Here if we differentiate partially with respect to y, this term becomes 0 and y square becomes 2y. Again z square is equal to 2z into dou z by dou y. Again dou v by dou y is equal to, this x term becomes 0 and differentiate with respect to y, it becomes 1 and plus dou z by dou y. Here substitute dou z by dou y equal to q on both sides. Then we have to apply this in the determinant. Dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y is equal to 0. So 2x plus 2zp and 1 plus p, 2y plus 2zq, 1 plus q, determinant which is equal to 0. So in determinant, we have to cross multiply. So 2x plus 2zp into 1 plus q minus 1 plus p into 2y plus 2zq, which is equal to 0. So take this term to the other side. So it becomes plus. So 2x plus 2zp into 1 plus q equal to 2y plus 2zq into 1 plus p. So here take the 2 as common and cancel on both sides and multiply it. So x plus qx plus pz plus pqz equal to y plus py plus qz plus pqz. Cancel pqz on both sides and take the y and z term on one side. So qx minus qz plus pz minus py, which is equal to y minus x. So take q as common. So x minus z into q plus z minus y into p equal to y minus x. This is the required PDE. So here the question is, form PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions f and g from z is equal to x into f of 2x plus y plus g into 2x plus y. So here there are two functions. So we have to find the partial differential coefficients p, q, r, s and t. We have to solve these equations to get cancelled the given functions. So first, partially differentiate with respect to x and y the given functions. P is equal to dou z by dou x equal to, here the term is both having the x term. So if we differentiate, differentiation of u into v is equal to u dv plus v du. So first, put the x term as it is. So x into, when we differentiate f of 2x plus y, it becomes f dash of 2x plus y, and again differentiate 2x plus y, it becomes 2, and y becomes 0. 2 into 1, which is 2. So 2x into f dash of 2x plus y, and again v du. So put the f of 2x plus y as it is and differentiate x, it becomes 1. So therefore f of 2x plus y, and then g of 2x plus y. So if we differentiate, becomes g dash of 2x plus y. Again differentiate 2x plus y. So y becomes 0 and 2 into 1, which is 2. So 2 into g dash of 2x plus y. And q is equal to dou z by dou y, which is equal to here y is in one place. So put the x term as it is, and when we differentiate f of 2x plus y, it becomes f dash of 2x plus y. And again differentiate 2x plus y, it becomes 0 plus 1. So x into f dash of 2x plus y. And again g of 2x plus y, if we differentiate with respect to y, it becomes g dash of 2x plus y. So this is the second equation. Denote it as first and second equation. And again r is equal to dou square z by dou x square. Differentiation of u is u dv plus v du. So 2x into, and differentiate f dash of 2x plus y, it becomes f double dash of 2x plus y. Again 2x plus y, if we differentiate 2. So already there is 2, so 2 into 2, 4. So 4x into f double dash of 2x plus y. Again put this f dash of 2x plus y as it is. So f dash of 2x plus y. And again differentiate 2x, it becomes 2. So 2 into f dash of 2x plus y. And then this term. In this term, if we differentiate, becomes f dash of 2x plus y into again 2x plus y is equal to 2. So 2 into f dash of 2x plus y. And again this one, it is 2 into g double dash of 2x plus y. Again this term, another 2. So 2 into 2, 4 into g double dash of 2x plus y. This is third equation. And again yes, s is equal to dou square z by dou x dou y. So differentiate this term dou z by dou x with respect to y, or we can differentiate dou z by dou y with respect to x. So take this term and differentiate with respect to x. So this is like uv. So x into f x put as it is, then in this term f double dash of it will differentiate becomes f double dash of 2x plus y. And again if we differentiate this 2, so 2x into f double dash of 2x plus y. And again put this term as it is, f dash of 2x plus y. Again if we differentiate with respect to x, it becomes 1. So f dash of 2x plus y. Again last term g dash of 2x plus y. If we differentiate, becomes g double dash of 2x plus y. Again 2x differentiate 2. So 2g double dash of 2x plus y. This is fourth equation. And t, it is dou square z by dou y square. So differentiate this dou z by dou y with respect to, partially with respect to y. So it becomes x into f double dash of 2x plus y, and this term g double dash of 2x plus y. It becomes. So we found P, Q, R, S and T. So from this, take the third equation. So R is equal to 4x f double dash of 2x plus y. So if 4 f dash of 2x plus y and 4g double dash of 2x plus y. So from this, take this term in the first one. So f4 f dash of 2x plus y plus, from this 2 we can take 4 as common, therefore x into f double dash of 2x plus y plus g double dash of 2x plus. This is nothing but t. So we just put r is equal to 4 into f dash of 2x plus y plus 4t. This is the sixth equation. From the fourth equation, we can take 2 as common from these two terms. So 2 into x f double dash of 2x plus y plus g double dash of 2x plus y plus f dash of 2x plus y. So this term is equal to t. So therefore s is equal to 2t plus f dash of 2x plus y. This is seventh equation. So we have to multiply 4 to the seventh equation and we can easily cancel the f dash of 2x plus y equation. Therefore sixth equation minus 4 into seventh equation is equal to r is equal to 4 into f dash of 2x plus y plus 4t, and seventh equation into 4. Therefore 4s equal to 4 into f dash of 2x plus y plus 8t. So if we subtract r minus 4s and these two terms get cancelled, and minus 40. 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 40. Therefore r minus 4s, when this minus 40 comes to this side, then plus 40. Therefore r minus 4s plus 40 is equal to 0. This is the required PDE.
If you like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel.